Hello, this is Solomon Davis from Right Side Trading, where you can learn to trade on the right side with confidence. Just want to show a couple little things here again, right quick on a day trade. I was trading the Nasdaq this morning. That's the future contract. Let me bring up what we were looking at. Yeah, if I probably will put the other video out there that I did earlier this morning, showing the future trade. Let me pop up the charts right quick. First of all, trading is risky. Trading is not for everyone. You can and will lose money at trading. This is for educational purposes only. So seek your financial advisor, seek your significant other, and make sure trading is something that is suitable for you. Okay, that said, let's look at both charts right quick. Let's zoom in a little bit where we can see what's going on here. What I got down here. Let's do it like this, and let me zoom in like this. This morning, let me do that. We was looking at it was a red candle, but it was greater than 10, and where it was located at, I said normally I would pass on this trade anyway. I did, just to show you why you don't do this on these greater than 10 candles, where it was located at in the market, why you pass on that downward trade. Right here. Again, if you would have took that trade, we like getting into these trades on the downside. You know, it did come down here. This wick did come down here, but it never really closed below here in that time frame that we like to take that trade in that first 5 to 10 minutes that I like to take that trade. And we never got a good close down here, so it should have been a pass. Greater than 10, pass. So now you just wait for your next best play. So your next best play, you know, is okay, come down here to a point here. I'm looking at the QQQ chart and bounce. Or, you know, let's zoom out a little bit here. And here it doesn't really show you, but let's move over here again and let me show you. Boom, 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 /NQ. NQ again. You were looking for this thing to come down here close to this level here, or you look for a demand level. Like this morning, this is where this market took off at. So your next best play would have been down here in this area here. It just barely touched there, and you did get in. And as you can see, I still have, if you look over here on the future side, I still have one contract. And my price is, what is it? 58.08. So that means I got into that trade right along here in this area right here. And I did have two contracts. I actually took one of the contracts off earlier, and I got one contract that's still running at all that I will take off. I'm getting ready to take off now. That's why I'm making this recording. Now, on the option side, let's take a quick look at that. Blah, blah, blah. On the option side, we had bought 10 contracts, and we sold our 10 contracts. So we ended up getting out of that. Well, again, when the market pulled back, I looked to buy. That was a cancel trade. Let's go up here and find those options. And at my first open was at, you know, 943. 943. About right. It was not there. It's 45. So I brought on this candle here. Thought it was going to go head on back up and all. But then I said, I got in too early because I was trying to cover that other trade, that downward trade at the time. And I think I mentioned that, okay, so a lot of times, well, I didn't mention, but a lot of times when I put in just only 10 contracts, I'm looking to buy more later when the market gets to a point where I think it's going to reverse. Now let's see where I actually bought that second 10. That second 10, I bought it at 10.10. Look at this again. I bought that second. You see 10.05, 10.10. So that means I bought that second set of contracts on this candle right here. So that's where, again, like I say, we do have a method here where we can buy near the day's low. And if you look at that second set of contracts that I bought right here, that's September 42, I paid $2.86 for it. Ended up getting out of all of it at 306 still. I only made 20 cents, but still 20 cents on 200 contracts. On 20 contracts is that's 20 cents on 20 contracts is $400, but not quite, because these other ones I bought them a little bit higher. I bought them at $3, and also only made On the first 10 here, I made $200 on that. On this one here, I probably made around $50 on that. So I made $250 on the option trade. But you can see on the future trade, with having the 2 contracts and letting them run, I'm up. For today, I am up $700 and some dollars. So between the two trades, I'm up over $1,000 easy, on these trades. So again, that's all I really want to show. Contact us at Right Side Trading if you would like to learn more. I will be posting this video out here to my RightSideTrading.com. Please subscribe, join us, contact us if you would like to learn more about this trading. And it works. I've mastered it, you can say, on the NASDAQ and on QQQ. It does work on other things and all. It's just fine, because that one chart that I'm showing you here, this does adjust for whatever we're trading. But that's proprietary. That's somebody else's. A friend of mine, he's developed that, and it works really great. So, like I say, join us, subscribe, join our newsletter stuff here, and all. And again, thank you for watching, and have a great weekend trading. Oh, I didn't look at the options that quick. Let's take a quick look at the options. I didn't do that. Go back over here. Apply. Sorry, I was showing stuff and not really letting you see. First one we got at $2.99. First buy, second buy, I got at $2.86. That was on the low of the chart at that 10:10 at that time frame near the bottom of the day. Also, now let me just take a look at the option chain for you. That was a 42 at 280. What was it? 286. The low of the day. How can I be below the low of the day? It wasn't 280. It couldn't have been 286. Let's take a look at that again. I must have read that number wrong. 286. How can I be below the low of the day? Yeah, this is virtual account though. 299. This is a virtual account. This is a virtual trade. Yeah, how can I be below the low of the day? Am I looking at the right contract? Probably not. Yeah, I'm looking at the right contract. That's 287 they say in the low is, and I got a 286 showing on mine. But the whole ideal, we can nail the low of the day. The high of the day, 235. I really wasn't focused on that. I was just focused on making some money, making sure I can out of my trade with a profit. And but yeah, that's 35 cents, 30 cents off that high, But right now I'm getting ready to take that future trade off. So again, thank you for viewing. Switch back over. Again, join us at Right Side Trading, where you can learn to trade on the right side with confidence. Have a great weekend. Bye.